we can have this house on someone's property in the Whangarei district complete. So literally, here's your keys, move in or start renting it. So all hooked up to all your services. We handle all the consents, all the paperwork, everything. And it works out to be 330,000, including everything, all in.
Wow.
And if you rent that out, rent on a brand new 2BD, particularly if something of high quality, you'd be looking at about $600 a week in certain suburbs, maybe down to $500 a week.
Yep, depending on location.
Yeah. So at $500 a week, it's a 7.8% gross yield, and $600 a week, it's a 10% gross yield. And so what that means is, $600 a week, it's like 31,200. So, actually just under 10% gross yield. So but your mortgage repayments on that, if you loan that money, I need to get the exact calcs on this. I'm probably going to have to edit it, but you're going to be cash flow positive, right? So from day one. From day one. So you literally, and if you've owned your property, for 6-7 years, you've probably got that equity sitting in your property, so you don't actually hand over any of your own money. Right. So nothing changes for you, but now you've got this income generator on your property that's cash flow positive, and your property value's increased, obviously.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. And but now you've got this free cash flow coming in. So it's great for retirees. It's great for anyone, really.
Yeah. When you think about it like that.
Property investors, they've got an existing rental property, right? Plonk one of these on the back, more income coming in, it's cash flow positive, increases the yield on that, give them enough money and yield to go and buy another one, rinse and repeat. Or, you've got your young, teenage, early 20s kids want to get on the property market. They can live in one of these on your property for free for a period of time, save up your deposit. They move out, get their first home, then you can rent it out. There's a whole bunch of scenarios, right?
There's another one. I just thought of that.
Yeah.